Welcome back to Reality Served Hot, where the tea is always served hot and the drama never sleeps.
I just wish bekhona into engingakwazi ukuyenza ukujikisa
Okay. Okay. Everything that is happening is scary. The silence is scary. The distance between each other is scary. Mawuse mzombe ngathi kufiwe. Kuyathusa. Now I'm asking myself ukuthi sifike kanjani lana.
Izola, we spoke a lot about a vision. So if we were to say in the context of a vision, the strategy of the family, the direction that this family is taking and its goals, do you still see yourself being part of it?
mhlawumbe angiqale ngichaze ukuthi into engiyidiscover eyokuthi i-vision yomndeni wethu bekuyi-vision ezobenefita particular individuals. It was not to benefit all of us. Khona enye into ehlezi ivela makukhuluma kuthiwe he wanted ingane eningi kangeke nginike mina ingane eningi ingabo enabanye abantu. Lelo qiniso lelo lenza ukuthi uzibuze ukuthi nansi main correct but yayinama njalo wonke umuntu ama shortcomings, so udingeke abanye abantu abazosupport ngokwenza lento angekakwazi but abayona lento ayiyona. Because if I remember correctly, I still remember sasihamba emotweni eyodwa sasihamba kuphi nendawo eMgababa sibuyele eShepstone siphuma kosebenza sishutha ezomshado. I remember uMacele saying, I think it just happened ukuthi anyukele umoya sikhuluma ecikwa into ezimxikayo kufike la evoice out khona ukuthi hey yazi ngangitsheliwe mina ngabrekelwa kwathiwa kulandwa wena uzozala kunjani manje nje ungasazazi something along those lines ehlekayo ukuthi ngibrekelwe ngokuzala usazala.
When she said those words, I don't think she realized ukuthi I-shock kangakanani mefika kumina. Kodwa also I understood mina ukuthi it was not about me at that time. It was about ukuzwakalisa ubuhlungu abukhozelwe umuntu wakhe ngegama lami. Opening up to me ukuthi ungabona singathandisisi. These are the things that were said about you. I-pain that you caused me ngokufika kwakho ngitshelwa mina u1 no2 no3 about you. Mhlambe the part yokuhleka while saying it sounded like you are happy it never happened because I caused the pain when the pain that Macele was feeling about me, it was so visible. She couldn't hide it. She would insult me edolobheni phambi kwabantu begcwele ngayo yonke inhlobo yenhlamba. So you can imagine umuntu okwipain kuleyo level ukuthi uzosaka kuthande kanjani.
If leyo nto yiqiniso ukuthi yayibe kanjalo kuyena etshelwa ngayo kusho ukuthi ayikho into wrong mase uMthombeni today into engakulandela yona uyethanga uvuka ekuseni ujuluka usawuthi negazi amanzi for umuntu othumbuka khulume into ngawe ekuzwisa ubuhlungu engelona neqiniso kodwa kuphela inyanga kufanele igazi lakho. Kodwa I still said ngoba leyo sayivumelana ingekho lento ebuhlungu ngizoqhubeka but leyo iqala manje angingeke. That was the turnaround. Ingenza ngirealize ukuthi kusho ukuthi sisazoyihamba le ndlela yokwahlukana ngoba nayo uthi back down. Unfortunately, I'm also at a point where I'm making a back down. And it's very scary because I'm asking myself, njengoba so-2 sinama valid points asenza sika back down sizohamba parallel kuze kube
angazi ukuthi going forward
Ujaji ngiyaphila usakhona
Akayi sister.
Into esengifisa ke ukuyibona ukuthi into ke yena ke manje ubaba uMseleko abede silethele yona iyenzeka yini uright naye siyakhuluma yini sonke namakhosikazi aright yini ngabe mina ebengizela ngimubi ngisazohamba ngimubi kusakuningi engisafune ukuthi ngikubone
Yazi usisinondo ukubuza engathi akakubuzi kodwa uyakubuza.
yini lapha yana esikolweni
uma yena akazi ungenwe yini mina ngisengoma yena esikhushuka ibaba ukuthi kusho ukuthi isitimela ke sigase nami kajoyina phela nami ngingiphenye isitimela bheka wena ayikho indlela mfethu kulethi manje
hayi mina ngoba ushiye
Singena la. Abantu abaningi bayathanda isithembu. Bayayithanda ingonogabi but ba-uncomfortable with it.
sangena ke ezisitimela esiyisona lesi sasemzumbi
akuminyaka awuyafuna esikolweni ntothi
Now in this episode, kuningi shame. Emotions were running high. Umakhumalo opens up like never before, of which I'm very proud of her. She talks about the pain of Umusa's words, but not only just the pain, but like the impact that those words have had on her. She looks back at the time where Umacele, now that we know, has also rubbed it in her face that she can't have kids. Like akamnikezanga uMseleko ingane ephilayo ke that is, because we all know that Umakhumalo has fallen pregnant several times, like she's confirmed in previous episodes. However, she can't keep her kids full term. So this has been something that amakhosikazi lawa amanye amusa have used it to rub it in her face, of which it's very much a villain of Umacele, given that she's always playing woe is me victim. But I'm so glad that Umakhumalo is honestly just opening up now and she's expressing herself the way she should have always. Because for a long time, I feel like a lot of people misunderstood Umakhumalo's role in the family. Now, Osisi is funding the family and she has finally said it out loud. Now, Nyazi, we've all seen it, we've felt it, but this time around, she's confirmed it. Uguti, actually, her blood, sweat, and tears has kept this family going, you know? So I'm just really proud of her being able to open up. And you can see Uguti, I think she wasn't really planning to open up so much, but emotions took place and she ended up saying, you know what, let me just speak my truth. So kudos to Makhumalo. I hope this healing journey will be helpful towards her. Now moving over to another segment where we see Ubaba Mseleko. Now, Musa, I'm not going to lie, I'm going to give him credit where it's due. In the session with Unonto and during the diary cam, he actually made sense. Like, he articulated himself quite well, which was very shocking to me. Growth, maybe, but we'll see. This is Musa Mseleko. Like, 1 minute he can say something that actually makes sense, and then next minute, it's giving very much, sometimes he's like incorrect but bengamelu kanjalo type of vibe. Now moving over to Umacele, as we see in this episode, I'm sorry, but her segments bore me. If I'm being honest, her segments bore me. She's always being weird, like on this high horse, acting like a victim, jobbing Shilekaleni, and excluding herself from the rest. It's giving very much, I'm not like the other wives. And honestly, sis Katele tina manje, like, yo sis Katele uyena. And the last segment, Mayeni is just a vibe. Like, Umayeni is just a vibe. Effortlessly so, Nkosami. I love the trio Istimela, actually. Sasim Zumbe. Now that, chef kiss. I don't want to lie. Mayeni, Makhumalo, and Mangwabe coming together. Like, I like that unity. I'm not saying that all the 4 wives, well, 5, because noma khwela nkosi yami naye kumele simfake somewhere along the line, but let's just talk about the three for now. I like their little unity. You can see ukuthi they're vibrant. I just hope it continues and bayazwana, you know? But let's wrap it up for now until the next episode. And sibonile, the next episode, it's giving CCMA drama. Uguti no pay as Mrs. Mselegu. Umusa has started something wild, and I don't want you to miss out because naming zobing mugile. Now, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because this train is only getting hotter.